What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Yeah, I have a Blind Shell Classic 2 phone for blind and vision impaired people, and I'm trying to get it fixed. USB port broke off out of the, in the wire out of the phone. I've been trying to get it fixed. I had to send for the part from the Czech Republic.
Oh my
That's where the
gosh.
phone is made.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, it's crazy. Can you fix it for me?
Don't worry. I got you.
Okay. Hey, what's up, buddy? Hey.
Surgery time. Your phone is ready, sir.
Yes, okay.
Now it's charging.
Great.
Let me show. It's good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Finally, I can use my phone. Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
And this repair, it's $100.
Yes. Okay.
I'm just kidding. It's free. It's on me.
Free?
Yes, it's for you.
Thank you. Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious.
Oh. Appreciate you.
No problem,
I
man.
appreciate
No
you.
problem.
I need more. I'll be seeing you.
Yes.
You the man.
Anytime.
I
Okay?
appreciate you, bro.
That's my gift for you.
Thank you.
No problem.
God bless.
God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Oh, you got a card so we can find you on YouTube?
Yes, just search Money Talks Wireless. You'll see on there. He'll help you.
Yeah, I'll do it. Okay. You know
All right.
what he got. All right.
Have a good one. All right.
God bless.
Same to you.
YouTube a couple times.